magicians and illusionists and mentalists, my kind of people, it's important and mandatory for us to do things with playing cards. I don't like to do that, right? So I still got a deck of cards with me, but this is not a deck of cards. This deck of cards is different because this deck is a deck of letters, not playing cards, but letters from A to Z. All the letters are there in this, and they're repetitive. A to Z is only 26 letters. There are more than 26 cards. Basically, some of the letters repeat, which is fine, honestly. Every single one of them is there, and I am going to give this a nice shuffle, and I want you to see the shuffle happening, just like that. Man can do everything, but cannot handle cards. Look at that. Now, what we're going to do is, I'm just going to spread these out, just like that. You can see the cards being shuffled. This is important. This is a moment no magician will show you. You know why, dude? The man who is not Nitin. What the fuck is Nitin? You know why they don't show you this? Because there are false shuffles involved in magic. See, we can shuffle cards in a way that we make it look like they're being shuffled. They're not. This is legit. You can see the cards being intertwined. I'm going to do this as slowly as I can. Just mix these up. And there's no doubt there. That's a shuffled deck of cards, yes. And the idea here is very simple. What I want to talk about right now is influence. Because it's 9:05. Shit, okay. This is not right. We were a little late in the show. I'm so sorry for that. The problem is I'm doing this new thing called the intermittent fasting. I don't know if you've heard of it. Yeah, I'm supposed to eat for 8 hours and stay hungry for 16. Helps me with the weight. Yeah, it's a real thing, right? And my window of eating is closing in like 5-7 minutes. Do you mind if I eat and I don't know, man, you can do the whole or maybe she can do the whole.
Yeah.
Take these in your hands. I know this is a real thing. I'm doing this and I have to eat only healthy foods. That's the problem. So I got my snack with me all the way from McDonald's and I'm going to eat this. There's a bird. I'm seriously going to eat it. Don't behave like, oh, I'm not eating it. No, I'm going to eat it. Pick up the cards. It's a fantastic thing. Look at that. Look at the beauty. Look at it, dude. Touch it. No, it's my fucking burger. Don't even think about it. Okay, I'm going to remove this because unhealthy lettuce. Oh my god. Alrighty then, I'm going to eat this and I'll tell you what to do. You can keep your hands on the table for a while. No, the hands and the cards on the table for a while. Not like that. We are not doing a jewelry exhibition of some sort. Just keep the cards in your hands like you would normally. Lovely. And what I want you to do now is you're going to deal one card down on the table. Just facing down. 1, 2 on top of it. 3, 4. Keep going. And you can do as many cards as you like and anywhere in the deck you like. Not the top necessarily, the middle, bottom, anywhere. And you will stop at any card you like. Don't turn it around, just stop anywhere. Middle, bottom, top, doesn't matter. Oh, it's orgasmic. Oh. Wow. You're happy?
Yeah.
So am I. You put some more, you want to take some back, what do you want to do? You happy?
That's all, yeah.
Okay. So many options he had. Just want to tell you that. Now the next part is me taking a bite again because this is amazing. You want to taste?
No.
No, seriously.
No.
Thank you.
Taste, dude, take a bite. Trust me, take a bite. Dude, you will ejaculate right now. It's that good. It's a paneer goddamn burger, dude. Look at the cheese in it. Look at the what does that remind you of? Look at that. Oh shit, now I can't eat it. Amazing. Pick these up. Small my own table. Oh wow. Put one card here. One here. One here. Maybe one more here. Do we have space? Yes, we have. One more here. Maybe put one here. Doesn't matter. Can you do that whole entire process again? And keep doing it until you're out of cards. So here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, keep going. You know what's the best thing about the burger? You don't get it. Now, are you happy with whatever happened? I'm just going to finish this, guys, and then we can do this later, okay? No, I'm kidding. Did that feel like a free choice to you? All of that jazz that you just did?
Not really.
No? You didn't feel like you're removing cards from anywhere you wanted? No. You're right. You didn't. See, We are going to need subtitles in this trick so hard. See, the point is that I spoke about influencing, right? And I get it. It's rude to eat in front of an audience in the middle of the show. It's actually not good to do that. But you have to realize this, Nitin. I'm just going to call you that so that you ask her who that is. I have to know. See, the point, I'm a Gujarati. मेरे को पंचायत अच्छी लगती है. That's why I have to know Bhavna. I have to know Bhavna. You're a Marwadi, you get it. We like panchayat, dude. Come on. But the point is that, wow, I relaxed like this. Okay. The point is that, how much ever rude this looks like, this is all a part of the act. It has to be. Otherwise, I wouldn't do this. Right? The whole idea is about influencing people. Subliminal advertising is something that you might have heard of. Advertisements playing the same product again and again, that's hammering the same product in your head, you end up buying it. That's a very indirect approach. I do a very direct thing. I eat a burger in your face. And you get influenced. Thank you. Oh fuck, okay. Let me explain. Turn over one card. The top one where you stopped. Put it here. Over there, say you. Turn on the next one. Okay, nice. Now these are cards that you chose and you dealt and you took them out of the deck. You did everything. The next one, did you take one from here? No. Okay, take it up. It's a G. This forms, this turns into something, right? Take this one, take this one, take this one. This is going to freak your ass off. Look at that. I'm just going to shift these as R-E-G. If this is a B, if this is only if, it can be a T or a Q. But if that is a B, all of you go crazy, okay? Abhi, ladies and gentlemen, that's the burger right there. Yes, you can now worship me in church. Okay.